Today is September 9, 2019, about 9:30 a.m. I'm having my morning exercise, and this is the third Oriental Garden Lizard I've seen. This is the second one I have videoed today. This one is different from the other one in the sense that this is a very slim looking one, almost camouflage, unless you really keep your eyes open. You can see he's very skinny, probably a younger one, a juvenile, and I'm about 20 feet away. I should get closer a bit, and you can see clearer. Two white bands across the along the bodies on the lateral sides. And where is he now? There he is, quite wary of me, tilting his head to my side. You can see I'm about 10 feet away. The sunlight is to my right, and he has not hopped away. I shall go nearer. Now he's getting worried. Nearer a bit. Still didn't go away, about 6 feet distance. I shall not disturb him. But you can see this is a younger one, or pregnant one. Is she pregnant? She has two colors. Abdomen seems to be lighter brown. Does she look pregnant? Possibly. Hard to tell. Anyway, I shall stop now and not frighten her off. Today is September 11, 2019, Singapore. Oriental Garden Lizard, about 9:30 a.m.